Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to add exceptions to never allow users from calling you on Telegram PC. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Next, locate the three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you see the option for calls. Click on it. Now, you'll see the settings related to calls. Look for the Add Exception option and click on Add Users next to Never Allow. A list of your contacts will appear. Choose the contacts you don't want to receive calls from, regardless of the privacy settings above. Once you have selected the unwanted contacts, click on Save to apply the changes. By adding exceptions to never allow specific users from calling you, you can have better control over your Telegram PC experience, ensuring that you only receive calls from the contacts you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.